I'm not sure.
All right, George, we have a little bit of water
pipe
in
after
the
Roto-Rooter came out and
basin
staked
of
out the drain.
tub here. We're gonna let it fill up and
appears
let it
that
spin,
there may have been an issue.
and then we will
So I'm
check
just
the pipe
asking,
in the back.
what are your all thoughts? Please comment
All
down
right,
below.
the water is now
And thanks for giving me your
running
time.
down into the pipe, as you can see. Let's get down here. Let me get closer. It looks like it's maybe dripping or see it dripping there? Look at this coming out of that sleeve there. I think that's just a loosening or what are your thoughts? On that. Now I'm going to pause it. I want to try one more thing. As you can see, the water's coming down and straining down here. It's going down there. I don't really know. I want to try one more thing here. All right, so this sink is connected to that pipe down below. I'm going to turn the water on, see if it leaks worse. So the sink should be coming down from there, coming here, and no, geez, I need a standby. Let me get the. Where's my? Right, there we go. Now, I don't see any leaks over here. Sorry, my camera's not the best. Right here. But I'm not sure what this is about. My question to you, one, do you think it's a broken pipe? Two,